Now this is very similar to what we were doing with the water noodle. It's just a lightweight target, something for you to focus on and punch or jab at. Now you could do punches, but right here we're just going to focus on the finger jab. Be sure to keep your other hand up to guard your face. Now when I start off, I like to start at a distance where I can just barely reach the target. That forces you to extend your strike a little bit farther out. Now, if you don't have X-ray film, you can also use a piece of paper, cardboard, or a thin, lightweight piece of plastic. You don't want something too thick or heavy because unless your fingers are conditioned, it's going to hurt and you're not going to strike out as hard and as fast as you can. Plus, the light weight of this makes it a nice moving target for you. Be sure to switch your feet so that you work both sides, and go ahead and strike multiple times. Your first strike may miss your opponent, so it's important to do that follow-up.